Okay, so here is another example using the distributive property, So we can distribute. So y times y minus 4 plus 5 times y minus 4. So we get here y squared minus 4y plus 5 5y 5 times negative 4, that's negative 20. Then combine, so we got 5y squared plus y minus 20. Okay. Y, 5 minus 4, that's 1y or y. So this is the final answer. Get it? Now, the FOIL method is only used when you multiply two binomials. So it is an acronym and tells you which terms to multiply. Use FOIL method to multiply the following binomials. So we get here y plus 3 times y plus 7. Okay, so F tells you to multiply the first terms of each binomial. So we get here y times y is y squared. Next, we have O tells you to multiply the outer terms of each binomial. That is y times 7, that's 7y. I tells you to multiply the inner terms of each binomial. That's 3 times y or 3y. Then y plus, and then L tells you to multiply the last terms of each binomial, which is 3 times 7, that is 1 to 1. And then we combine like terms, so we have y squared is 10y plus 1 to 1. It's from 7y plus 3y now. Now remember, FOIL methods you to reminds you to multiply the following: first terms, outer terms, inner terms, and last terms. Now let's find the product of each of the following binomials. So we have here, um, for this part here, we have x times y, that is, or sorry, x times x is x squared. Then we have x times 3y, that is 3xy. Then the inner, which is 2xy. So 3 plus 2, that is 5xy. Then the last term is 2y times 3y, that's 6y squared. Okay, number 2, we got 3 times x, that's 3x squared, plus 3x times 4y is 12xy, minus 1xy, that's 11xy, minus negative y times 4y is 4y squared. Get it? Okay, so once na ma-memorize nyo yung FOIL method at alam nyo na, you can multiply it directly, no? Like this, 5x times 4x, that's 20x, okay? Just put it in your mind. Then, 5x times negative 3y, that's 15. 15 or negative 15xy. The negative, ito na yung inner, 2y, no? And 8 So 15 plus 8, that's 23. So since they have both negative, that could be negative 23 xy. So what happened to my hand? 23 xy plus y plus negative 2y times negative 3y, that's positive 6y squared. All right, next, number 4. 7x times 2x, that's 14x squared. Of course, huh? 14x squared. 7 times 9, that's 63. Okay, so negative 63, that's negative 63 xy. Then this one, 5 times 2 is 10. 63 minus 10 is 53. So negative 53 xy minus 5y times negative 9y. That's negative 45. Okay, 45y squared. Okay, easy, right? Then we have here 2a times 2a, that's 4a squared. Then 2a times 3b, that's about 6ab. And then we have 3b and 2b, that's another 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 12ab plus 3b times 3b, that's 9b squared. Wow, that's it. So that's mentally, but you can do it. You can solve it using the FOIL method, or if you are already master of multiplying binomials, you can do what I do. That's already an advanced thinking. We have here multiply, no? So we multiply this part, y times y, that's y squared, okay? Then y times 3, that's negative 3y. And then 4y times y, 4 times y is 4y. And then 4 times negative 3, that's negative 12. So we simplify, we have y squared, and then 4 minus 3, that's y minus 12. Okay? So the correct answer is letter or number 1. Okay. So, pwede nyo pong gawin ganito, no? So, use the FOIL method and you just combine like terms like this. Then, this is easy also. Okay? Madali lang dito. Then, let's have another. Now, as you can see here, we multiply 2a times 2a. That is 4a squared. Then 2a times 4b, that's 8ab, positive. Then we have 3b or negative 3b times 2a, that's negative 6ab. The negative 3b times positive 4b, that's negative 12b squared. So the final answer is 4a squared plus 2ab minus 12b squared. So which is this number 4. But the answer suggests that's also correct to use number 3. Though this is also correct because it's not yet simplified, but the really final answer is number 4. It's already simplified. Okay, get it? Remember, a binomial is a mathematical expression consisting of two terms separated by a positive or a negative sign, like x plus 3 or 4x minus 9. So please don't forget to share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more videos about our lessons. Thank you so much and God bless you all. Love you.